Imagine a world where dessert doesn't equate to guilt, where you can satisfy your sweet tooth without the worry of sugar and carbs. Sounds too good to be true? Not anymore. Welcome to the realm of coconut almond energy bites, a no-sugar, no-carb dessert that's as delectable as it is healthy. To begin, gather together a cup of unsweetened shredded coconut, half a cup of almond flour, a quarter cup of almond butter, 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, a splash of vanilla extract, and a dash of ground cinnamon. Combine these ingredients in a mixing bowl. The shredded coconut and almond flour create a base that's low in carbs and high in fiber. The almond butter adds a creamy texture, while the coconut oil holds everything together. Vanilla extract and cinnamon lend a warm, comforting flavor. Once thoroughly mixed, assess your mixture. If it's too wet, sprinkle in some more almond flour. If it's too dry, drizzle in a touch more coconut oil. Now comes the fun part. Roll the mixture into small spheres, about 1 inch in diameter. If you're feeling adventurous, you can roll these balls in unsweetened cocoa powder or extra shredded coconut for an added layer of flavor and texture. Arrange these energy bites on a tray lined with parchment paper and let them chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Once set, you can store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to a week. These little bites are more than just a guilt-free treat. They're a powerhouse of energy, packed with healthy fats and protein. Plus, they're versatile. You can adjust the ingredients to suit your taste preferences and dietary needs. So, why not give it a try? Whip up a batch of these coconut almond energy bites and experience a dessert that's as good for your body as it is for your palate. It's more than just a recipe. It's a step towards a healthier, happier you.